My name is Dwayna Respis Palmer. The type of agency that I will be completing my specialized placement in is a medical social work placement at a nearby hospital. The department slash floor that I will be working on is the general medicine floor. It is not specific to psychiatry, cardiology, or intensive care. We receive patients that have various medical issues. What I'm hoping to get out of this field placement, this is my first time doing something other than case management or assessments. I'm hoping to gain an understanding of how to provide patient-centered care. I have never worked with an interdisciplinary team before with doctors, nurses, psychiatrists. So I'm really excited to be on a team to discuss the patient care, treatment options, and discharge plans. I had went to court maybe once or twice in previous work job history. So this will be the first opportunity that I had to go to court for something specific to like guardianship or something that is general to the care of the patient. Um, what is different for me from my last internship is one, this is not a work site internship. My last internship was a worksite internship where I was providing case management services to the consumers that I previously assessed. So it is interesting to do something completely different and to be cut off from that work balance where I'm still receiving emails from administration in regards to my job and then, you know, doing internship work. My previous field placement was a population that was strictly geriatrics. My current field placement, I work with the young, the old, the documented, the undocumented, people that have families and people that do not have families. And patients are facing high risk situations. I'm also working with patients to place clients in short and long term nursing home placements, which is completely different from my previous internship where we only provided treatment or care in the home. And if you went to a nursing home, then the services that you were receiving was cut off. So, I am excited to do something completely different. This is more in line with what I see myself doing in the future. So, yeah, I'm just really excited. Thank you.